In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Gemini Business for Google Workspace. Whether you're looking to enhance your organization's productivity or just unlock some new features for better collaboration, setting up Gemini Business is a great way to get started. I'll walk you through the steps individually, ensuring that you feel confident and comfortable navigating through the process. To get things going, you'll need to head straight to your dashboard. This is your main control center where you'll manage all the different apps and features that Google Workspace has to offer. Once you've logged in and are at the dashboard, look over to the section marked Generative AI. This is where all the fun, innovative tools are housed. Clicking on this should reveal a list of applications. What you're on the lookout for is the Gemini app. Once you've identified the Gemini app icon, a simple click will bring you one step closer to activating Gemini Business. Once you're in the Gemini app, turn your attention to the service status. The goal here is to ensure that the Gemini Business feature is enabled organization-wide. In the service status, you'll see an option that either toggles on or off. It's critical here to make sure that it is set to ON for everyone. This configuration allows every user in your organization to access Gemini Business without any hitches. If it is not already turned on, take a moment to switch it on so there are no disruptions in availability. Now, enabling features like Gemini Business isn't just about flipping a switch. It's about making sure all your team members are aligned and ready to maximize the new tools at their disposal. Once this setup is done, it's beneficial to let your team know about this new capability. Consider setting up a brief meeting or sending out a memo explaining the benefits of Gemini Business. Highlight how it can improve workflows, encourage collaboration, or even bring innovative solutions to long-standing challenges. If you encounter any hurdles along the way, remember that the Help feature within Google Workspace can be a vital resource. There's a wealth of information that can assist with issues ranging from basic troubleshooting to more complex inquiries. Utilizing these resources can ensure that you're fully utilizing the Gemini Business features to their fullest potential. Congratulations! You've now successfully enabled Gemini Business for Google Workspace. As you dive in, explore and familiarize yourself with everything this tool can offer. It's adaptable and, with a bit of practice, can significantly streamline operations and foster a more collaborative working environment. Explore, experiment, and make the most out of what Gemini Business has to offer as part of your Google Workspace suite. Thank you for joining me in this setup journey today.